as a married person that is planning on walking away from their marriage just because of one thing or the other that is not tangible, another single mom has a clear message for you. Because what you're planning on coming to join on the streets is what? Clear, opwe, olosho. They go to lash you, they go to keep you. They go to lash you, they don't go to pay. So if you are a single mom that doesn't have anything that you're doing to fetch you money, another single mom that has experience has a clear message for you. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI channel. On today's episode of Palava, an experienced single mom is trying to open the eyes of other single moms that there is nothing on the streets. You are just going to be lashed and you are not going to get paid. I did a video about a girl who is calling out one Kunle lashed this girl, give and shishi. He carry fake ATM, give the girl. You can imagine. So as a single mom, this is what is waiting for you. Listen to this video.
I mean, poor single mother. Yes, I said poor because your business is not yielding plenty money, but your friends are pushing you to come out from that marriage. Your friends are telling you can do it. Let me tell you, number one thing, your friends that is currently advising you to leave that home, that you can stay and fix and manage your home. Number one thing they will tell you to do is to join them and go to the club. They will tell you there are a lot of men out there. Kiniko. In a club, they will give you so much money. Blah, 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 blah. Now, do you understand what they are trying to make you do? They are trying to put you into doing a shawo or akona. How many people do you want to sleep with? How many people do you want to meet every single night? Your business, our country, it is not easy. Believe me. Now you want to listen to them because they don't really understand what it takes to keep a home or to stay in their husband's house. Obviously, this advice usually comes from single friends. Now you have joined this, you have come aside over something that is very small that you can fix. You have jumped out of that marriage. You have started going to Gene. You have started going to the club. Now, how many people will you sleep with? My darling, why I am saying this, that's me, when my own ended, right? My friends, they advised me, oh, let's go to the club. Isn't it? Come outside. Oh, yes, look at the body now. You can't be inside the house like that. Come out and meet people. Why did I not go? Because I have my brothers. They come through for me. I have my mom. She has gone through a lot to take care of us after losing my dad. So I have conscience. I believe most of these girls that do a lot of things, obviously they don't have family members that used to advise them. I have my brothers that they can kill me if they catch me on the streets. And they can do anything to make me happy. Nne, forget about me. I'm talking to you. If you have any plan to listen to this bullshit, please don't listen to your friends. If you're home, you want to fix it, fix it. If your husband is not beating you, he's not maltreating you, it's just something small that you know it is not worth living. Forget all the ginger that you are getting. My darling, stay back. Fix it. Speak to him. I made a video yesterday. Talk to him. Find the perfect time to talk to your husband. Make his meal. Forget your pride. Forget all the whole ginger. Forget about all the whole shoulder. You don't need that as a woman. I will keep saying that. You don't need it at all. A man cannot push shoulder. You push shoulder. Forget everything that they are making us to believe. Please, I am begging you. Forget about all that and relax. And stay in your husband's house and fix your home and speak to your husband and communicate when you know you can get his attention. That is why God puts the both of you together. Unless when he's unfixable, then no problem, you can let it go. Now, good morning, I don't talk my own. Let's say you want to shower, you won't follow others, so they open your shop and down. It's up to you.
So, do you know, on the comment section, some people were asking, what did she do to leave her marriage? Anyway, I don't know. If you see her personally, you ask her what she did to leave her marriage. But the truth is that the painful thing is that women don't tell women the truth. You can imagine somebody coming to vent to you that they're about leaving their marriage and you support them, knowing what is at stake, what is waiting for them on the streets. Or Kunle will eat you, lash you. Emeka, Femi, all these people, they go lash you. There is nothing on these streets. There is nothing, absolutely. That person that you're planning is a shoulder for you to cry on. You go cry, finish. That shoulder go lash you on top. So if you know what is good for you as an upcoming single mom, please stay in your house. You've heard it from with her now, so they talk am horse's mouth. Horse the horse himself, he don't talk. There is nothing on the street because they want you to come and join their club. All of you people, they will tag all of you OS, which means the street slogan for Eshewo Olosho. So if you know what is good for you, if you know what is good for you or for your sister or for your friend, please stay in your home until you find something tangible that earns you money. Nigeria economy in it is smile. Until I come again, however you feel, leave it on the comment section because I'm here to tell you the truth as it is. We know say palaver, e no dey finish yo.